You have probably seen this before. A random person online passionately defending a brand, a wave of customers suddenly praising a product, or a grassroots movement that feels just a little too perfect. Yes, that might not be real. Welcome to one of the most uncomfortable topics in PR, astroturfing, where influence is manufactured and ethics get blurry. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are in PR, marketing, or even content, this is something you need to understand. Not just to avoid doing it, but to recognize when it's happening around you. Because astroturfing is not just a shady tactic from the past, it's evolving and it's everywhere. So, today I'm going to break down what astroturfing actually is, how brands really do it, why it works so well, and where the ethical line starts to crack. Let's start with understanding what astroturfing is. In simple terms, astroturfing means fake grassroots support, where instead of real people organically supporting something, a company manufactures that support to make it look authentic. The name comes from astroturf, which means fake grass. So instead of real grassroots movements, you get something artificial that looks real from a distance. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Astroturfing today doesn't always look obvious, it's subtle. Here are a few common formats. First is fake reviews at scale. You will see hundreds of glowing reviews suddenly appear. Same tone, same keywords, same vibe. That's not coincidence, that's coordination. Second example is independent social media accounts. So, accounts that look like normal users but consistently push one brand narrative. They don't say they are affiliated, but they are. Next is influencer non disclosure. This is a gray area. When creators promote something without clearly stating it's paid, it feels organic, but it's not. Next is community seeding. Brands quietly plant people in forums, Reddit threads, or comments to steer conversations in their favor. There will be no logo, no branding, just opinions. So, why it works? The truth is that astroturfing works because people trust people more than brands. If a company says we are amazing, you would probably doubt it. But if 50 people say it, you will believe it. It taps into social proof, herd mentality, and perceived authenticity, even when that authenticity is engineered. Now, let's talk about the real issue. Astroturfing isn't always black and white because here's where PR teams get stuck. Is it wrong to encourage happy customers to post? No. Is it wrong to amplify positive sentiment? Not really. Is it wrong to stimulate that sentiment? That's where things shift. The ethical line gets crossed when transparency disappears, audiences are intentionally misled, and trust is manipulated, not earned. And once trust breaks, it's almost impossible to rebuild. If you're working in PR, this isn't just about morality, it's about risk. Astroturfing can lead to public backlash if exposed, legal issues in some regions, especially around disclosures, long term brand damage. And honestly, in today's internet culture, people will find out. So, what should you do instead? There's also a smarter, sustainable approach, like build real advocacy. Focus on actual customers, real stories, real experiences. Be transparent. If something is sponsored, say it. Transparency doesn't kill trust, but hidden intent does. Then guide, don't script. Let your audience speak in their own voice. The moment everything sounds the same, it feels fake. Then play the long game. Astroturfing is a shortcut, but real credibility that compounds over time. So at the end of the day, PR is about shaping perception, but it should never be about faking reality because the best PR doesn't manufacture trust, it earns it. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe. And I'm curious, have you ever spotted something online that felt like astroturfing? Drop it in the comments and let's break it down together.